here I go, and I have this a grandfather clock. I've done some research on it, and the top of the rods, it's way back here. I don't know if you can see it, but you can barely see it, but it says made in Germany. Now, let's let you listen to the chime. It's a single chime Westminster. Here's quarter past. And every time you do this, it sets one gong down with the chimes. Half past. Quarter two. Sets up. Is familiar with the gongs now, so oh crap, it's not familiar. Now the 12 will flop. I barely see made in Germany in there. It's kind of unknown, but this clock is actually made by, I think it's Standard Germany, maybe. I'm not sure, but I haven't seen the logo. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.